appreciate y'all for coming back. If you haven't already, man, please like, subscribe, comment. Man, I really wish, and I really hope that y'all sharing these videos, man. Letting everybody see what your boy got going on. But man, today we back up in here, man. We back up in the garage. What I'm gonna try to tackle today is I'm gonna try to line these doors up. My back door is fine, but my front door it ain't lined up. As you can see, it ain't. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of, see, it's off right here. That's how I chip my paint. It's off right there, so it's off right here. So I'm gonna try to do that. When it's closed, it look like it's still open. Now this is a 94, and those two front doors are 96 doors, which I don't think it matters, but I guess I'm about to find out. So I'm gonna try to tackle that. Let's see. See, my passenger door, is it closed? I don't even know if it's closed. It's kind of off too, but it ain't off as bad as that one. At least it closes. So it'll close, but it's still off. You can tell it's off right here, just a little bit. You can look at it right there and see. So I guess I'm gonna have to raise this one up, raise this door up, and I don't know. I'm gonna raise it up a little bit, but the back door is cool. The reason why the back doors don't like to close is because of that, because of this strip, because of this new weather stripping. So they don't like to close that. They get caught by the weather stripping. They don't even get to the. See, I think it's pretty much lined up. There. I think it's pretty much lined up. It probably could come. That's about as lined up as it's gonna get though. It probably could come. Nah, I'm looking at it. At this seam there. Look like it's pretty lined up to me. I'm gonna look at this hole. Yep, the back door is pretty much lined. This one a hair off. Like a man. I don't know if you can see that. It need to come up just a tad, but it's kind of cause it's lining up with the molding and everything. So I don't know. I think what I'm gonna do is, being that the back doors don't get that much use anyway, I'm gonna leave the back doors alone. But my front doors gotta be lined up because they get the most use. So I'm gonna do that. And also, I'm having a ground. I think I'm having a ground issue somewhere. I'm really not sure. So I'm gonna be trying to tackle that. And yeah. So that's where we at today. Guess I'll pick this camera back up once I get some of this stuff done. Might even do something to the Firebird today, I don't know. But yeah, let me get off in here and see what we got. Woo! Nation, we bite, man. We bite. The Florida boy said, man, we bite. But so I think I figured out my ground issue under the hood. My this right here, this wire right here, is my oil pressure switch line. And when me and Mike took the transmission, I put the other transmission back in, we pinched it because it's I don't know why it's so long, but it's we pinched it in between the motor and the transmission. So that was making my car do a whole lot of weird stuff, and I didn't know it. So I just took that out and I took that out and rewired it. So one thing that my car was doing, like if my car was running and I had my headlights on, I turn my switch back to turn the car off, and the car would stay running while the headlights was on. And then while the car was off, I turned my park lights on, and my dash would light up. It would come on. It would say check brake, all that good stuff. So pretty much what it was my dash. Well, something where everything was, I'm assuming, was grounding out at that point. So I just tested it just now, and that ain't doing that no more. So I'm assuming that was my problem. I'm hoping that was the only problem I have. What else I had to do? Oh, this door. I took my jack and tried to line my door up as much as I could. I got it kind of even, but as you can see, it's still kind of off, but it's closing better than what it was, because at first this is all it was doing right here. Like, it wouldn't go all in, but now it'll close now, you know what I'm saying, without me having to just, you know, come back to China and swing on it to close it. Still, I think I'm gonna still let, you know, a professional do it, line it up or whatever. But man, I think that was it. I went ahead and I put a new starter on today. I didn't need one, I put one on, cause really that was this starter was Mike's starter, so I went ahead and put me another starter on. So I guess I'm gonna get out in traffic, man, and go to Mike's house and get on his nerves for a second. And yeah. So everything that I came over here to do, I completed. I will wash this junk, but I really don't feel like it. There's some more stuff that I gotta do to the car, but that definitely won't happen today. I didn't even deal with this passenger door, cause I mean where the passenger door is where the passenger door already was, is where the driver door is now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just leave it how it is. Like I said, I'm gonna get, you know what I'm saying, somebody with a little more knowledge to do it, and it's just gonna be done on it. I ain't gonna even sweat it. I feel, you know what I'm saying, I feel like I got a lot done today with it, so I'm cool. Like I said, 'cause the passenger side door, it closes anyway, so you know, you don't have to slam that one to close it. So now you don't have to slam the driver door to close it either, so it's all good. But yeah, that's what we got. That's where we at right now. So if anything else interesting happens, I'll pick the camera back up. I'm finna ride around Mike's house, man, and see what he got going on, see if he even at the house. So yeah, I'll pick the camera back up. Alright. Yeah, man. Told y'all I was gonna pick the camera back up, man. We got Sagging Booty Sasha over here. Over here in Coates Country, man.
Sasha finna
Sasha
finna get that butt picked up off the ground.
Yeah, cause it's itching real bad. Bitch got fleas.
Pick it up a little bit, man. Cause when I hit it, it get lower. If I smash the gas, the car get even lower to the ground.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna let it up so I don't want to ride like this.
Her booty itching for real. Sagging Booty Sasha, that's her name, right? But anyway, man, y'all see that thing sitting out there? Oh, Memphis Mike though. Memphis Mike with the gray hair.
Mm-hmm.
But man, y'all know Memphis Mike been working, man. He ain't been riding with her lately.
Well, it ain't because of that.
Nah.
I was driving, but it just went down.
Yeah, it went down.
Took it down, what, Monday?
No, that was, no. You was down. You was down. You was down last Saturday when we rode out.
It went down.
Well, you just didn't drive it.
No, I didn't drive. Yeah, I ain't driving because I was going to get.
Yeah, you went.
charge.
Yeah, you went. Yeah, you left. You left. So it wasn't down.
Joe,
But anyway.
Drove to Atlanta to pick that up. That's why I couldn't ride. Y'all was out riding. I was gone.
Yeah. Here y'all go, man. Ain't nobody else got no footage yet? Oh, man, I'm the first one. 1 of 1, man. Y'all see it, man. Memphis Mike said he wants smoke, nigga.
I ain't gonna lie, I take a little bit of smoke now.
Oh, wait.
I'll take some now.
Uh-oh.
Y'all want smoke, I want it too. But it'll be next year though. I ain't doing nothing during COVID.
Oh, no, it's
That's
over.
why this mother here pause.
It's
Where
over.
your mask at, D-Lo?
In the car?
You need to go get
Man, look, we 6 feet.
You ain't 6 feet at all.
Well, I'm 6 feet away from you. I see why you got COVID. I see your mask over here on the floor. Jesus! That's on the same color concrete.
That thing got some antifreeze on.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I definitely ain't got no COVID. That's what I'm trying to keep from getting at there.
Man. But yeah, man,
Look,
y'all see
look,
me.
I don't want no COVID till after I finish this next week.
Shit, you don't
2
want
week
to turn
turnaround on this right here, man. 2 week turnaround.
Man, you don't even want that shit then.
2 week turnaround.
Man, y'all see it, my dog LSA, man, reinforced CTSV lid, man. Painted the same color of the car, man. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You dig what I'm saying, man. He said 2 week turnaround, huh? 2 week turnaround, man. Yeah. Well, these are the old parts, man. He said this shit.
Yeah, all that shit sold.
Oh, it's already sold?
Yeah, all
Okay.
that shit sold.
Intake 2?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, everything sold, y'all, so.
Don't
missed
ask.
It. We missed it. Well, y'all
It
missed it.
sold in an hour of me putting it online.
Yeah, man, we got parts over here, man. We got parts. What is this?
Man, that's a brake swap I'm doing for somebody.
Oh, okay. Oh, never mind. This ain't y'all stuff. I mean, this ain't his. This some other stuff. But yeah, man. Uh-oh. Y'all see what's going on, man. Big boy LSA. Yep.
Yeah, I bought this last Saturday and got it painted Monday.
Yeah, you got to pay money, yo.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, man. So, just in case y'all wondering, man, why y'all I ain't heard from Memphis Mike in a couple days. He been busy.
I'm out here working.
But yeah, obviously y'all see I figured out my problem because I got bass sitting out in front of the house. So yeah, that's where we at right now, Jack. I don't know what I'm looking at in there, but there it is.
Got the reinforced brick, cuz.
Reinforced brick.
Yeah.
What's that? What's this? That's the.
That's intercooler.
Yeah, okay, intercooler. All right.
Intercooler brick.
Yeah, that keep it cool.
Now there's gonna be an ice box attached to it. It's in
That's it. The
cold water up here
to
Just
cool
down
that.
in there.
Yeah.
That thing candy.
Yeah, man. Y'all see what's happening.
Shit, the man's a little hot.
I already know it. But yeah.
Drinking on my Sunday's juice my wife made me.
Sunday juice.
So you don't have this oil since you
I ain't.
It's
No.
back there. It just don't look like it is. That's not the
Is it back there?
digital dash came on. Yeah, it'll tell you it's back there.
It,
The digital dash
I don't
on
know.
its own, but the
Yeah.
plug is different.
yeah, the plug different. I don't know. I ain't see that when I took my intake off though, so I don't know. Like I said, I ain't had no plugs empty, so.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, we finna enjoy at least a small portion of our Sunday. So,
Oh yeah.
man, now I'ma end this video right here, man, cause y'all done seen enough.
And then,
Call that boy Big Mike from the wood. LSA and Sagging Booty Sasha.
Wrap the motor up real good, clean up under here, repaint everything. The
Uh-huh.
whole engine though.
Fuck this shit.
Sheet.
But yeah, man, Sagging Booty Sasha, man, No May Road, man, they signing out. So,
Be about a week.
boy below 25, man. It is what it is.